This AI doesn't just answer questions, it argues with itself, fixes its mistakes, and then answers again. No upgrades, no bigger model, just smarter thinking. If you think today's AI is impressive, recursive language models are what push it into the next era. Let's break down what RLMs are, how they work, and how they compare to everything we already use. AI today sounds confident, but confidence isn't accuracy. Traditional language models generate responses once, they predict the next word, then the next, and when they're done, they stop. No reflection, no checking, no second thoughts. Humans don't think like that. We draft, pause, rethink, revise. So the real limitation of AI hasn't been intelligence, it's been lack of self-correction. That's where RLMs come in. A recursive language model, or RLM, is a system that improves its own answers by looping over them, instead of prompt, answer, done. It works like this: prompt, answer, evaluate, improve, repeat. Same model, same brain, multiple thinking passes. It's like an AI that writes a rough draft, then edits itself, then fact-checks, then rewrites the final answer. That loop is recursion. Animated loop: prompt, output V1, self-critique, output V2, final answer. Under the hood, RLMs rely on recursive reasoning techniques like self-reflection prompts, internal critique steps, error detection passes, confidence scoring, rewrite loops. The model asks itself things like, is this answer correct? What assumptions did I make? What's missing? How can I improve clarity or logic? Bad reasoning gets discarded. Weak answers get rewritten. This is the biggest shift in AI thinking since chain of thought. Let's compare. Traditional LLMs, single pass generation, fast responses, fluent language, higher hallucination risk. They sound smart, but they don't double-check themselves. Recursive language models, multi-pass reasoning, slower but smarter, built-in self-evaluation, lower hallucination rates. LLMs predict, RLMs reason and verify. That difference matters in coding, math, research, and security. You might be thinking, isn't this just chain of thought? Not exactly. Chain of thought. One long reasoning trace, generated in a single pass. Errors persist if reasoning is wrong. RLMs. Multiple generations. Feedback between steps. Can reject bad reasoning. Can rewrite the final output. Chain of thought explains how the model thought. RLMs decide whether that thinking was correct. That's a huge leap. Now, let's talk about AI agents. AI agents use tools, take actions, access memory, interact with systems. Agents are about doing. RLMs are about thinking better. Most cutting-edge systems combine both. Agent architecture for action, recursive reasoning for intelligence. That's where serious AI power comes from. Recursive reasoning unlocks massive improvements in software development, debugging code, mathematical proofs, strategic planning, cybersecurity analysis, research synthesis. RLM-style loops drastically reduce hallucinations because wrong answers don't survive the recursion. This is how AI shifts from sounding smart to being reliable. You're already seeing RLM ideas show up in auto-debugging code assistants, multi-agent research systems, planning-heavy AI tools, advanced prompt frameworks. Even modern chat systems quietly use recursive evaluation behind the scenes. The future isn't one big model, it's models that reflect. RLMs aren't perfect. Trade-offs include higher compute cost, slightly slower responses, more complex system design, but for high-stakes tasks, accuracy beats speed every time. Recursive language models aren't hype, they're a structural upgrade to how AI thinks. Not bigger, not louder, just smarter loops. The future of AI isn't just answering faster, it's thinking better. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of where AI is actually going.